Give these tires a good scrubbing inside and out while they're off. Got the Walmart paint pens. Freshly scrubbed, clean tire. This tire's getting really old, but let's see if we can make it look a little better. Start out with a little red. Second coat really brought them to life. So these are just the paint markers from Home Depot. Walmart. I think they're looking pretty good. Here's an interesting little fun fact. There's little pimples sticking out of all the letters. You can see all those. So what I'm using, a right angle grinder. Just barely touch them, they come right off. If you sit on the ground Indian style long enough, your legs will completely fall asleep. Oh, good grief, man. All right, went through everything. Checked all the nuts and bolts. Got the tires looking good. Let's take it for a ride.